Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover a hacked Facebook account. So for you to be able to recover your hacked Facebook account, here's a few steps I think you can do. First thing is log on to your Facebook account, then you input your mail, your numbers. Then instead of you input your password, just click on the forget password. So once you click on the forget password, then Facebook will automatically send you a secret code to your numbers or your mails to your mailbox. So you go there, then you try and click on the link, then you follow the rightful step. Then from there, it will give you a link that will take you to where you will reset the password of your account, and you no longer use the old previous account. So once you do that, then you go to your settings, so make change some stuff, change your information. So after that, once you do that, then make sure you also review your account. And reviewing your account simply means check if there's any unusual activities and secure your account from or probably blocked in by another person. And also, whenever you log out, when you log onto Facebook using another person's devices, make sure you check and move your account. With this, you should be able to cover your Facebook account from hackers, and that's it. Find the video helpful, like and follow for more.